Hey guys, this is a video of how I guess rates work in NetRez, which is the management system for La Quinta. And we'll also look at how to make those changes, but first I'll explain kind of how the properties are set up. So obviously you want to log into NetRez, only Internet Explorer works for that. And then you'll come up to this inventory tab, select inventory availability, which will bring you to this screen here. And we'll select rate levels and go to view calendar. And this pulls up your different rate levels, see LV0 all the way down to LV8, and how many rooms you've allocated to each rate level. So in this case, looks like I have LV7 and 8 closed. You see the red closed sign. That means that rate level is closed. You don't have a number next to it like you do on LV6, which represents how many rooms you're selling at that level. So this Tuesday to Wednesday, I actually have all of my rooms in the LV6. But if you look at Thursday, I only have 8 rooms in the LV6. So that means I'm going to sell 8 rooms at $89, and then 9 rooms at 95 or LV5. Basically, you get the 9 from the difference between the 8 and the 7, because you sold 8 here, so there's only 9 remaining. And then we have 6 at 99, because you have 23 and 17. And basically, you want to set these allocations up strategically. Usually, you want to put anywhere from 12 to 20 rooms in each allocation. If you put in more or less, it gets kind of it's not productive, because the idea of the allocations is that you sell a lot of rooms, it automatically increases your price for you. But if you have all your rooms in at LV8, if you have 80 rooms in that LV8, it's not going to do anything for you. So you want to maybe put 15 in the LV8, another 15 in the LV7, and so on and so forth. So that's how it's set up. You see the red again means the rate level is closed out. So I will show you how to make a rate change now. So let's say I wanted to, instead of having 16 and 21 rooms in at LV6 on Tuesday and Wednesday, I just wanted 10. So I'm going to select that rate level, LV6 in this case, select mine. And from the drop-down menu, you're going to select authorized. And then you can either choose to increase this number by 5, set it to 10, you can do that as well. In this case, I'm going to set it to 10, so enter in 10 here. And you can enter specific dates or a date range. In this case, I'm just doing the 24th and 25th, so highlight those and select update. Give it a second. And now you see I have 10 rooms available at 89, meaning the next 6 will be at 95, and the next 11 will be at 95 on the Wednesday. So another way to do that, again, you go to authorize. We'll do increasing by time. So we'll do increasing by more rooms, 89 on that Tuesday, Wednesday. 10's not big enough. Big enough allocation make a difference on most properties. So I'm going to do increase by 5, again, select the dates. It's been increased by 5 there. Another way is some blanket changes. Say you want to set a basic blanket strategy for the summer. So we'll say starting in April. So we'll do set date, and that'll bring you over April. You also have these toggles up here. Days. Okay. And in this case, let's just say, actually, let me go to June. So a good example. So let's say I want to open up some rooms on my weekday, and it looks like right now they're all at 95. For the most part of June, it's like I have about 20 rooms allocated there. But let's say I want to throw in some rooms at 89 the 4th through the Thursday, the 8th, and same thing the following week. So I'm going to select on the rate level I want to open. In this case, it is LV7. Since it is closed, right, close, and then available status to open. And then in this case, I'm going to be doing a date range. Since I'm doing multiple dates, it's just easier. You could also go through and select dates, but I'm going to start June 4th. And we're going to go all the way through the 15th, which is that next Thursday. And you also have this day of week button down here. Let's go ahead and unselect this because I just want to do weekdays: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And I'm going to go ahead and open. You see the dot next to the close, that means it's hard closed. So I need to hard open that. There's also another function where there won't be a dot next to it. That just means that rate level has run out of rooms in the allocation. So it's closed automatically by itself rather than me going in and closing it. So I'm going to go ahead and open these at 89. You see the difference right here. And you see it usually defaults to whatever the next level is. In this case, it was 19, or that case 20. So now that those are, that level's open, I want to go through and set those to 10, let's say. So setting 2, and 10 date range, and that is the 4th. And you could do as long as you wanted to. You could do a 6-month period, weekdays only, 6-month period, weekends only, whatever you wanted to. I'm just doing a smaller range here for an example. And then again, select your Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and update. So these should all be set to 10 now. Yep, there you are. Okay. I think that about covers it for making rate changes. It does kind of take a while to get a hang of how many rooms you have left to sell in each rate level, because it's a little bit different to look at than other brands. But again, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy.